Are you fat? Or are you lazy? Are you always tired and going bed at late? Just play yourself, just play video game at night? Well, do you want to go to bed? So, don't drink soda. Oh yeah, just a reminder. Don't drink bricks. Just fuck bricks. Drink the most delicious drink in the world. We call it Poland Spring. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? I'm fat. Yeah, I'm fat. People just made me like that. Poland Spring, it could help you to drink water, but instead they could lose weight. Here, that's why. Wait, what? All you can do is just drink it. Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck? That's better. And now you could lose weight in time in a row. Since when? 90 days? 90 days? You just read the shoe. That's unbelievable. Now you could learn more on the Polish Spring that happened in 1845. Please, this is miserable. And did you know that had no sugar, just made from the Northeast? What are you talking about? But it made from, sorry guy, it made from Connecticut, New York, and made for $5 refund. And that's not all. You could recycle anytime in the world. Here. Oh, this is stupid. It's perfect. No, it's not. Poland Spring. First made in 1845. Right now.